Hi everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome back to another 10-minute collage. This is a challenge hosted by Woolly Steph. It's open to anyone who would like to join in. So basically you just set yourself a time limit of 10 minutes and do a little collage in your 10 minutes. It doesn't matter if you go over the 10 minutes. The collage police aren't going to come around and arrest you, cart you off and say, you took 11 minutes to do this. No, that's not going to happen. You just take as long as you want, but there's fun in setting yourself a time limit. This happens on the 8th and the 22nd of every month. If you want to see what other people have contributed, that's the hashtag you need to have a look at. That's Steph's channel, Woolly Steph. So she's got a whole lot of wonderful videos there. So hop on along and have a look. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to her channel, because she does some very awesome mixed media type projects. Really like her work. Okie dokie, this is what I did last week, so it took me longer than 10 minutes. I wrote it down here, 16 minutes and 24 seconds, and I just collaged a bird. And I didn't do anything with the background last week because I didn't want the video to go on for too long. But in between times, I've just gessoed over the paper, and with a distress crown I've gone around the bird and just added a bit of mark making in there. So that was last time. Alright, so we need a new page. Now if you've been following along, you'll know that I am using images only out of Daphne's diary magazines. And in particular, I have this one tatty old magazine that I'm trying to finish off. It's only got a handful of pages left in it. So that's my challenge on top of the time limit of 10 minutes, is to use only images from Daphne's diary. And I did find a poster. Each book has got a poster in it. So I threw this in with my stash of things to use. I'm not sure if it actually came out of this book or not, but anyway, it's a little bit of extra paper to work there. I'm just going to get my glue and my scissors organised. And, oh, that's what someone said in my last one. Aren't you allowed to use scissors? Yes, we're allowed to use scissors. I choose not to use them most of the time, that's all. Okay, but you definitely are allowed to use scissors. Anyway, I'm going to go and get my scissors, my glues, and I'll be back to start this. And I generally like to just get down some sort of background. I also need to set a timer. Now, I hope the light is okay, because it's one of those days where there's a lot of cloud cover, but occasionally the sun just decides to pop out and say hello, and it becomes blindingly glary in here. So I want a timer and 10 minutes. So I'm going to press the start button. Just going to pop that there out of the way, and look for some things to put in the background. So I generally just go for texty type of things. Sometimes just a whole piece, like I might do with this one. So how's everyone going? Hope you've been well and happy and getting lots of collaging and other sorts of crafting in. I haven't been terribly busy the last couple of weeks, I guess. Haven't really ramped up to full speed ahead, I don't think, since I did the Junk Journal July. I've sort of been easing my way back into things. Oh, good one. Just put it up that way. I think it's better. I'm going to take this page out of the book. Make it a little bit easier to work on. That's better. So I'm going to use that as my background. So I'm just going to use glue stick to quickly get that down. And I've already gone for over 1.5 minutes, so I really need to get a wriggle on. I want to get this done in the 10 minutes. Find that there, that type of background, very soothing. Whether it's the colours or what it is. So yeah, I like that. Yeah, what have I got? Really getting down to the dribs and drabs in here. Nothing jumps out at me there. A bit of a bird, but I don't think it's what I want. Been wanting to get this flower into something, so I'm going to extract that. The shock horror, I'm using my scissors. So I'm only roughly cutting this, so I'm not worried about getting it perfect. And that's that bit. And I might also try and incorporate this darker coloured flower, because I love the colour of this. And that looks like the, a bit like passion fruit flower, that. I don't know whether it is or not. I've never seen a purple, like a passion fruit flower that colour, but similar looking. Let's have a look. Something like that I really like. I can cut the excess off. And what else I've got here? I'll stick to a flowery theme, perhaps. I don't mind those rocks. Yeah, the choice is getting a little bit slim in this book now. Further things to put into these. It's 2 for 2. That could sort of work in with the flower theme. Well, I've only got 5 minutes left, so I better get something down. Just going to put these things off the page and then trim them. Okay, so that's the start. I just need one more thing to go in there, I reckon. I wonder what this crown would look like on there. Not so sure about the crown now. This is why I tear things. I think I have better control when I tear than when I'm cutting with scissors. You get two hands on the paper when you're tearing. That's what I've got here. Get some more words. And here we go. So, covered in flowers. And I would put some watercolour drops on that, except, right, here's a brush, some water, got half a minute left. Just going to use whatever colours I've got in this palette. See if I can get some white. Alright, that was too bad. Dismiss. There we go. Alright. Some gold ones would have been nicer, but my watercolour palette is actually outside on the back deck because I was painting outside there yesterday with my friend. So, I haven't brought anything in. And I think that's good enough. I'm just thinking what else I could put on there. Well, you know, I don't think I'll put anything on there. I'll just leave it as it is. So that's it. Short and sweet. But yeah, gold drops would have been nicer on there. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it inspired you to give like a challenge like such as this one a go. And you can really create something in very little time. Very easy to do. Very pleasing to do. Lots of fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist. So the hashtag is 10-minute collage. So everybody who has done a video, you'll be able to see what they've done under that hashtag. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Catch you for the next one. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.